If you love long wigs but hate how they tangle at the back, especially around this nape or neck area, and you're looking for a solution, then this video is for you. The number one reasons why long wigs tangle at the back is because of friction. So make sure that you pay careful attention to the type of clothes that you are wearing. This is the wrong type of material. This wool type of material, this material that has a lot of texture is wrong for this type of wig. So this is even a video for myself. Can't even take my own advice. Any material that has these like thick embellishments, no. Hoodies are a no. So what will happen is that these thick materials will rub against the hair as you are moving, so they will cause friction as you're active, and that will cause tangling. The best thing is to stick to smooth material such as cotton or even satin woven clothes. So if you find that you cannot change the type of clothing that you're wearing on that day to match the long wig that you're wearing, I would say keep your hair away from your back. So move it to the front like I'm showing you now. So move the hair to the front, especially if you're going to be sitting back against a chair. Alternatively, which I think is the more practical way to do it, is style your long hair into an updo. So keep it away from your face, style it up into an updo. There's this TikTok style that is quite popular now. I know it's not a new style, but it's just catching it's just trending now, is to use a clip and clip the hair up. So styling the hair upwards will definitely make sure that there's no friction against any material that you're sitting back on or any piece of clothing that you are wearing. Another thing that a lot of people tend to overlook is taking care of your wig. Taking care of your wig will ensure that you get less tangling at the back. So every time you take it off or before you go to sleep, just lightly finger detangle the back area, especially with curls. Curls tend to tangle much easier. Synthetic wigs tend to tangle much easier than human hair wigs. In addition to the detangling step, make sure that your wig is hydrated and moisturized. I use water mixed in with a conditioner. You can use a light mist hairspray. You can use anything, whatever you use on your hair. Just make sure it is hydrated and it is moisturized. So this is because if your hair is moisturized, if your hair is hydrated, it is not dry, which prevents unnecessary friction, which can then lessen the amount of tangling that you get in your wigs or you get on your wigs. Your wigs won't tangle, that's the point. And another thing I will say when it comes to taking proper care of your wigs, if you are one of those people that sleep in your wigs, do not sleep without detangling it, do not sleep without wrapping it, okay? So one thing you need to remember is that long hair will always tangle no matter what you do. The point here is you're trying to reduce the amount of tangling. With that said, short hair will always tangle less than long hair, especially around the nape area, the neck area. So if you're looking for a wig that will not tangle no matter what, I know you'll definitely be interested in this next video. It is a pixie cut review. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.